Okay, so if you want to set conversion tracking in Google Ads, this is what you have to do. You're going to start and you're going to go to tools and settings, right? And we're going to go to conversions. We're going to click on conversions there. I'm just a dummy account right now, so that's what's going on. So you're going to be taken to conversions, and on this conversions page, guys, you're going to find the different conversions goals that you have available to you, right? You have submit lead form, you have phone call leads, you have contact, you have get directions, and these are the different conversion goals that you can have in your Google Ads campaign. And the conversion is something that you want to track. That is a action that you want to track from the user, right? So these are different actions that you can track. So we're gonna click here. I'm gonna select new conversion action, and then we're gonna be taken to the screen, and they're gonna see different conversion actions we can track: website, app, phone call, and you can import. So the import is for people who have Google Analytics and they want to import different conversion actions that they've raised up in Google Analytics, and then you bring it and you import it into Google Ads. But if you're a beginner with Google Ads, I suggest you just stick with just choosing one of these conversion actions here. It's more than enough for you. So we're going to go here and we're going to select website. Let's say, for example, we are a lead business and we're trying to generate leads. We're going to select website. And we're going to use that as an example for this video. So we're going to click here. I'm going to put my website here. We do generate leads. We help with lead generation, but we're a Google Ads agency. But nonetheless, this is our agency website. We put in the website, and then we're going to be taken to another portion of the screen here where it says here, use website events to create web conversion actions or create them manually, right? So what we're going to do here is we're going to select a conversion goal, and let's say we're trying to submit leads or whatever your goal, select what your goal is. So let's say you are an e-commerce business, for example, too. You could select here purchase. You could have purchase, you could have add cart, you could have begin checkout, subscribe. The thing is with conversions, you can only add one conversion at a time, conversions at the same time. So it's really powerful if you can really dial in on what conversions they are, because Google also allows you to have secondary and primary conversions, meaning that with first primary conversions, Google will prioritize that conversion action over other conversions. So let's say, for example, you have a conversion such as submit lead form. You could have that as a primary option, and then you could have for your newsletter subscribe. You know what I mean? So it's like it's or sign up, right? It's really up to you. It's really up to you and how you want to do that. But let's say, for example, you have a lead form and you want to track leads. We're going to go here, submit lead form, and then I like going page load because it's a lot easier. A page load is basically where let's say you submit a lead form, and let's say someone submits a lead form on your website and they are taken to a thank you page. That thank you page can be added to Google Ads here, right in this feature here. So let's say the thank you page is called thank you, clickcrafting.com/thank you. That thank you page is now going to be tracked. It's going to be tracking your conversions, meaning that when someone reaches that thank you page from your ad, Google's going to track that as a conversion. And then you're going to be able to optimize for that conversion action. So if you're booking meetings after that contact form that they have to fill in, and let's say the Calendly or whatever, there has to be a thank you page there. And then that thank you page is then going to be added here as a conversion action. And then that conversion action is going to be tracked. So boom, we put that there, add, right? You can add other conversion actions if you want. Like we've gone through, there's other ones such as, purchase, add carts. There's tons, right? There's tons that you can really choose from. So have fun with that. Now, there's also create conversion actions manually using code, right? So you can do it either automatically like this, right, with Google Ads, or you can do it manually. There's also that option. I suggest if you're a beginner, just stick with this. This is more than enough for you, this option here. And it's going to take you to the next page where you're going to get instructions, and you're going to be instructed on how to finish this. So you can either set this up using Google Tag Manager, and Google Tag Manager is super easy to set up. Just go here, you set it up like this. This basically going to be taken to the Google Tag, and you're going to have to add this tag to your website. And it says here, install the tag manually. This is what they recommend. Super simple process. Below is your Google Tag for this account. Copy and paste it in the code of every page of your website immediately after a head element, and do not add more than one tag per page. The awesome thing is that, guys, with most with most web builders, with most landing page builders, there's usually an an option for you to actually add that, to add it automatically, the Google tag. And there's usually integrations with Google tag as well. I know with WordPress, there's an integration that you can use to make the process extremely simple. So just, I think that's something that that can really help you if you want to add this Google tag, or since you have to add this Google tag. Just look on your website if there's integration, and then also look at the search on Google as well, for your specific landing page builder. Let's say you're using Unbounce, or let's say you're using WordPress. You're going to search on Google how to set up Google Tag Manager on Unbounce, and it'll basically show you exactly how to do that. With the Unbounce usually has documentation how to do that specifically for the website, and they make it very simple. So once you've done that and you added your Google tag, you're now going to test your installation, right? And then you're going to test it and ensure that it actually works, right? Okay, cool. So once that's done, there's also another option. If you have a web developer or someone who's creating your websites for you, you can email them the instructions and they can do it for you. So there's also that option. And then you're basically done. That's basically it. It's a very simple process. Just ensure that you track all the leads that you are receiving. It's really important, guys, that when you are running Google Ads campaigns, that you actually track conversions, because you won't actually see the success of your campaigns unless you actually know what your success metrics are and whether or not you actually are testing them and tracking them. So guys, make sure that you track conversions. I've shown you this video how to do it. If you like this video, please leave a like below at the bottom of this video, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this to help you with your Google Ads. And if you want to learn how to generate leads for your business with the Google Ads, I've linked a link down below to Craftsman Free. That's an online community and a free online course that teaches you how to generate leads with Google Ads in 30 days. So if you find that interesting and you think that could be something that's beneficial to you, if you're a beginner, it's perfect for you. If you are expert, it's perfect for you too. It will just teach you how to generate leads with Google Ads, and the step-by-step frameworks. Literally, I've given you templates. I've given you so much value in that free course, and there's an amazing community there that you can also join as well too, absolutely for free. And we have weekly calls as well. So if you do want to grow in your knowledge of Google Ads, if you do want to generate leads for your business, or if you want to generate leads for other people's businesses with Google Ads, this is the course for you. So definitely join it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers. Take care.